Hello, welcome to this video on creating HMI screens using FactoryTalk View Studio and View Machine Edition. Uh, some of the main topics that we're going to have here, and again, I try and keep these short. I'm going to create a new display slash page. Also going to create buttons and reference program tags for those buttons, and then also create navigation buttons. All right, so jumping in quickly. So the last video that we looked at, we took a look at the valve screen that I had built. So what I have added to that, and I'll show you again on the pump screen, is a navigation button and a navigation screen. Okay, you don't necessarily need that, but it's something that I've kind of added, and I think it's kind of unique. So we're going to start building on the pump screen. Okay, so you can see here I already have a start button. Now to create a button, there's several different types. So you go to Objects, go down to Push Buttons, and I tend to use the momentary buttons. All right, and then just like a lot of other Microsoft-based programs, you just left click, and drag to the size that you would like. All right, once you drop that, then it's going to ask you to configure this button. So it has two states, 0 and 1. Well, both of them we're going to want to say stop. All right, my background color is going to be red, and I'll also make my border color red. All right, and the state 1, I'm also just going to make that red with a red border and make it say stop. All right, some of the things that you could do here, you can make it blank, some other options that are pretty neat. Okay, so you're going to go to connections. Now we're going to connect this button to a tag name in the PLC program. Okay, and this is going to be our stop pump or our stop command. All right, so we're going to go just take a look and double check back into our PLC program. Okay. And when we press our stop button, it's actually going to be our stop pump bit. All right, so let me jump back out to the program, and I'm looking for the stop pump. Okay, so you see how that kind of correlates. When we press this button, it's going to go to that tag name inside the program. All right, just going to go ahead and press OK, and then make sure I hit apply. Once it takes that, I'll just click back through, all the general stuff I usually leave just the way it is, and then hit OK. All right, so that's how you create a button. That's how you link it to an actual tag name inside the PLC program. And then once you get to a page, you'll notice here that right now I can go and select what page I want to go back to. But once this is actually up and running on the HMI screen, you would need what's called a navigation button. Okay, so go back to Objects, go to Push Buttons, or actually, sorry, go to Display Navigation. I'm going to go to, and I'm going to say take me to the navigation page. Okay, so that's going to ask me right there, what display do you want to go to? I'm going to say navigation and then hit OK. All right, I'm going to label that nav for nav button. And I'm going to leave the color and everything alone. I don't necessarily need any connections here. Doing it on the general page should take care of that. Then once you hit OK, it'll go back to this home screen here. Trying to get some consistency out of it. I guess I'll just make this a little bit smaller in this direction. Okay, and that'll look good there. All right, so this nav button will take me back to the navigation page, and on that navigation page, you'll see that I have a button to go to the valve page, the pump page, and I've also incorporated an e-stop that would shut the system down, basically a stop command to the pump. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.